Hello, today we're going to talk about the titanium wand. This is a 12-inch lightweight all titanium carpet cleaning wand that has a glide on it. It has an 800 psi valve, which is high pressure, and 4 jets, which are 110 015s, which means 110-15. That means the angle and the flow. And these jets, there's 4 stainless steel 1/8 inch V jets on there. And also the jets have filters in them, and they also have a check valve, so they keep your wand jets from getting clogged and the jets from dripping when you're going from room to room. This is what they look like. It has a filter on there, and it's also a check valve, and that way when you're done using it and you're moving from one room to another, it won't drip on you as you move. By the way, in order to take these out, it's really easy, handy tool is this jet tool. It fits right on there. It's got that shape of the jet, fits right on there, and it just spins it right off. So some of the other features of this, of course, the weight, but also the glide. Glide makes it really super easy to use. It doesn't matter what direction you go in. You don't have to lift it up. So most of the time, the professional guy who's cleaning a lot all the time, or employee, anyone, just all day long, this reduces the fatigue. Also has an extremely low profile. So for you to get underneath furniture, it's really easy without moving it. It can go really deep in there, and yeah, it's a great wand. So let's weigh it here. I want to show you how much it weighs. Let's see, about 6. It's saying 5.75 pounds. So under 6 pounds. And then when we add the handle to it, it's going to increase some more in weight. Probably add the hardware with it too. Handle's probably a pound by itself. It's a stainless handle. So we're still under 7 pounds. So for a 12-inch wand with just all the bells and whistles, the glide, handle, everything, you're only under 7 pounds. So you just imagine how easy this would be to use. So it is expensive. It's not as cheap as some of the wands, but there's a reason. Titanium is a really heavy duty metal that weighs, it's lightweight. They even make airplanes out of it. So it is kind of expensive to get, but it's worth it for a guy who is a professional and is going to be using it all the time. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.